Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on! Helly, can you block off the road, please?
I'm on it!
Roy and Amber, help!
Tires stopped by Luigi's Casa delle Tire, home of the Leaning Tower of Tires.
Planted at the garage garden.
Really? I can do that?
Of course!
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Yeah. No, not really. But listen, I'm Lightning McQueen, the famous race car. I'm being held here again.
One, two, three, a winner!
Who'll be jamming now?
forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder!
You leave me no choice. Fellow citizens,
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look.
I am, but there are, a lot more of them, so it takes longer when they get on and off.
His final season, Chick Hicks was poised to be crowned the new king of Dynaco. But
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste. Sí.
So dig in. Remember your training. Find Storm and chase him down.
Oh, tell him he has 3 left.
Still racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
you ride the roads from shore to shore, hauling loads from farm to store.
Pushing through and driving deep. 2,000.
To begin, all spectators, clear the starting line.
Thank you for your support and your big mistake.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath us.
But no break. The winners, Tomica and...
What's your name, son?
No, I'm not.
Kyle, you...
Ended to life in a Moroccan impound the first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
Speaking of recall,
Pistón Chick Hicks. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
James, you like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Honey, look.
Where'd all your friends go?
Final check of his tires.
Not the one who activated it.
Would anyone else like to try?
You read my mind.
I was getting...
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will beat his crime.
You, sir, are officially incognito. Nobody's bothering you.
Great luck.
Sorry, I already dedicated my Win Tomorrow tour. So if we both do it, it's...
Hey, Ramon can fix you up with a new look for the trip.
McQueen, it's paint time.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
Well, what's...